This is Alvin with Origami by Aki. I'm going to show you how to make a turtle. We can start with a square sheet of paper. With the color side up, we're going to fold it in a rectangle and fold one corner back to that middle line. Same on the other side. And we're going to flip it over and fold this part to the middle line. Do the same thing on the other side. And let this back side come up. This is going to be a head, but we're going to just fold it back like this. And the head's going to poke out here. And for the back legs, I'm going to bring this edge, bring it right up to the middle. So it goes up to here, and then fold this back so the bottom leg comes out there. Do the same thing on the other side. When we flip them over, just kind of round out the tail a little bit. And next I would kind of shape the legs slightly. Okay. This is Alvin with Origami by Aki, and that's how you make an origami turtle.